Hello, everybody. My name is Becky Cohen. I am a gold consultant, Evolution Archer Travel. And I'm going to try to see if we, hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. My name is Becky Cohen, gold consultant, Evo 100, Evolution Archer Travel. I'm going to see if we can't record how to do automated text messaging to program into your phone. So this is for an iPhone. So what you're going to have to do is go into your settings, go down to general. Then you're going to find keyboard. Okay. Once you find keyboard, you're going to click on text replacement. And here you see I already have some in there, right? So again, you're just going to have to change this one. This is a shortcut. I'm going to save that. I'm going to have to update this one, and this is what you can do if you have to do this. Obviously, let's see. I'm going to have to, whoops. My goodness. Say move it. And we have to add some in here. And this is kind of what you do. All right. So this one now is, I think I have to go back and look at all of them. There should be 4. So let me see what I have here. 1. This one needs to be edited to say 2. This one is actually now 3. Oops, no. This one is actually 4. This one is actually 3. Kind of confusing. So if you guys know what you've got going on, I mean, you can add in, obviously. I'm going to go here. I'm going to change some other things in here that just makes it easier for me to make sure that people are getting back to me. It says, once you have completed this, let me know. But I'm not going to say, once you have completed this packet, I say, text me. Okay, save that. Now let's see. Let me see again. This one also I kind of want to edit to say the same thing, to text me. Just because sometimes I feel like people are unsure if they're supposed to be following things on their own, right? Instead of like getting back to us once they've completed all of this stuff. Once you have completed them all, get your travel certificate. And this is for the team building, obviously, side. Again, it says, let me know, but I'm going to say, text me. Okay, so I can direct you. All right, we're saving that. Now let's see what we got. Welcome. This one again, it says, let me know. I am going to change it to just to say text me. But you should know once they've filled out the enrollment, you should get the email in your emails. This one I'm not going to text me, and I will walk you through. Okay, so we've got A1, A2, A3 is the documents, A4 is going to our website, A5 is friending me. So again, you can do this. If you go in here to text replacement, let me see. Well, you would just like create a new one. See how it just like I hit the plus. So again, you're in, because I already have some, so mine is full, right? So you can just, all you do is come up to the right-hand corner and you hit this plus. And then you just put in your phrase, whatever that may be. Like we could also just like add in, so I don't have to write it out. Congratulations. Right? And this is, I'm going to take Zoom 1, Z1 for that. Congratulations. And these are kind of things that you're just going to have to know. This is our Zoom follow-up. So again, in here, there's a couple of things that I want to change. I'm going to take out, oops. I'm going to take out that comma so I don't have to do it every time. I want to follow up. Were you able to attend? If so, what did you think? If you were unable to attend, and I've chosen not to send the recorded presentation anymore. What I say here now is, I say, please reschedule for a better day/time. Please reschedule for a better day and time. And then I put in my Calendly link. Calendly.com. And then it should be all right. Save that. So now that's all done. And that's it, you guys. It's pretty simple.